Hello everyone, and welcome to the Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to map a TDS to a vendor in the Fresa Global Application. First, log into the Fresa Global Application. After a successful login, you will be taken to the home page. From the home page, navigate to the organization dashboard. Once you click on it, the organization list page will open. Click Submit to view the list of previously created organizations. Next, click the organization name LOV and select the organization that you want to map with a TDS. This will redirect you to the organization view page. Now, click on the AP menu and scroll down. Select the Add TDS/WHT option. The TDS/WHT page will open. Enter the required details, such as the TDS and lower deduction certificate number. After entering the necessary information, click Save and Close. You can now see that the TDS has been successfully mapped to the vendor. And that's it. This is how you can map a TDS to a vendor in the Fresa Global Application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.